Today I am going to share with you my elder sister's story. So let's get started. So my elder sister's husband, he's a very bad guy. So one incident happened one day, 2 days ago it happened. So my brother-in-law who quarreled at my elder sister, and he quarreled so much and he fought with her, and the rice utensil and pot, every material, he throw it out. And our villagers, some people who went there, and I asked, not I, they asked him, so why are you doing like this, Sopikul? His name is Sopikul. So please stop all this thing. Please stop. And he was angry so much. He was angry, and he didn't listen to anyone. And some people who went there, and my brother-in-law who tries to beat other also. Even though my brother-in-law who has beaten my elder sister, and he tries to beat other people also. So the bad incident happened. So no one able to no one able to stop this situation. This situation was so very difficult, and there was a lots of people gathered, you know so I didn't know all these things, and I got to know just after few hours later, when it incident happened in morning time, and I got to know that about to evening time, so evening time mostly. As soon as I am hearing all these things, I rushed to her, this house, and I asked my sister, elder sisters, you could have told me before. Why did you hide you alone? You don't think that your house only your husband house? I am your elder brother. I have a house. I have a parent's house. I have a house. So why don't you consider that this husband house only yours and our house is not? So please come with me. Please come. And she started to cry a lot, and I also cried at her together, at the moment. So sad the sad situation was there. A brothers and a sisters, the very mean what can I say, very bad situation, a brother and sister together that time. So maybe they both of them cry. So that happened me. So my sister, I took her to my home, and after 2 days later, my brother-in-law called to my sister. So what incident happened, what past has passed. So please come to my house, and I will not do again this kind of bad thing, because I was so angry, and that is why I did it, and he pursued pursuing to my sister. So my he tries to pursuing my sister. So I asked my sister, please, you don't go like this. If they comes to you, and if he comes to you and take you to my home from my home, then I will send you. Other than I will not send you. You stay my house. As long as you want, you stay my house. And 3 days later, my brother-in-law's mothers came at my house, and she told me, please send your elder sister with me. What happened. I try. I will try to. I will try to. Mean I will try to. My dear friend. So